how I keep track of my calorie intake. I get this question all the time. It's really simple. I just weigh out my food and scan the barcode into the app. Yazio then gives me the nutritional breakdown of my meals. There are also tons of recipes on here. Quick steal this chunky monkey muffin recipe. You can also create your own meal plan or take part in these cool challenges. You can create your own recipes, so here I am inputting my lunch, which was already saved as a meal. You can use the link in my bio for 50% off Yazio Premium.